What's up, friends and fam? Today I'm gonna replace a windshield wipers. Mostly Asian cars are all the same from 2005 and lower. So right now, how to take off your windshield wiper? There's a tab right here. This one, there's a tab. You have to press it all the way down until you leave it. So this is your J hook from the Asian cars. That's the J hook. When you take off your wipers, you have to pull it down, so you don't want to mess up your windshield, because like once the wind blow up, this one will gonna smash your windshield, so it will crack the windshield. So now installing your new windshield wipers, you have to go all the way across. See the J hook? You just have to slide it. Once you hear the click, it's good. Same thing as the other one. So same thing on the driver's side. There's a tab right here. This is the tab. So you just have to press it. Press and press down. So since the wiper blade has become older, it's kind of stubborn to take it off. So you have to pull it down again, so you don't want to damage your windshield. So now installing it again. So the easier, so you have to put your J hook inside from here and inside, and then you just have to push it all the way, and then once you hear the click, it's good. Okay folks, so the final step, this is your washer fluid. To know if it's washer fluid, this is your windshield drawing, and then that's for the water. So now you just have to put it, just in case, to make sure you have water in it. You can put water or windshield washer. So it's full. Now I'm gonna test it. Now guys, we're just doing the final step, testing everything. Just gonna spray some washer fluid and test our new windshield wipers. Now it's working. Everything is good. Now you're ready for summer drive. Thumbs up.